What's up guys, Nico here of YugaTech, and today we are looking into our picks of some of the laptops available online that will surely get the job done right at the comfort of your own home. Number 1, we have the Infinix Book X1 Pro. Right off the bat, we have an Intel Core i7 powered laptop with the Infinix Book X1 Pro. It's got plenty of RAM and storage with 16GB and 512GB respectively. With a 55 watt-hour of battery and 65 watts charging adapter via USB-C. The display spans at 14 inches and despite its full metal body, it only weighs about 1.48 kilograms. All the ports you need are in here, even an SD card slot, and it has an HD camera up top. The Infinix Book X1 Pro is currently available for 34,699 pesos. Next up, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 powered by Ryzen 5. It has 16GB plus 512GB combo as well, a 45 watt-hour battery with a 65 watts power adapter. It boasts a 15.6-inch display and weighs about 1.6 kilograms. It has plenty of ports, an HD camera with a privacy shutter, and a fingerprint reader. The IdeaPad Slim 5 is currently priced at 38,995 pesos. Number 3, we have the Realme Book. This one got a huge price cut from its original suggested retail price at almost 14,000 difference. The Realme Book with Intel Core i5 is configured with 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, a 54 watt-hour battery, and 65 watts power adapter. A 14-inch display with a 1440p 2K resolution, and it weighs about 1.4 kilograms. Among its variety of ports is a Thunderbolt 4, it has an HD camera, and a fingerprint reader that doubles as a power button. The Realme Book is currently available for 34,490 pesos. Number 4, we have the Asus VivoBook, another Ryzen 5 laptop. It has 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, a 42 watt-hour battery with a 65 watt power adapter. Its display spans at 15.6 inches and weighs about 1.8 kilograms. The ports include a USB-C and a micro SD card reader, not to mention its Harman Kardon tuned audio, and an HD camera as well. The Asus VivoBook is currently selling for 36,254 pesos. Number 5, we have the Acer Vero. We have another Intel Core i5 laptop, brought by Acer Vero. It's got 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and a battery capacity at 48 watt-hours with a 65 watt power adapter. A 15.6-inch display and about 1.8 kilograms. It has an Ethernet port for direct internet connection and a bunch of other ports, and of course, an HD camera. The Acer Vero is currently available for 36,599 pesos. Up next, we have the MSI Modern 15. Modernity is in its name, literally. The MSI Modern 15 is also powered by an Intel Core i5 processor with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This 15.6-inch machine is military grade for that enhanced durability. It has a 52 watt-hour battery, Thunderbolt 4 among its ports, and an HD camera. The MSI Modern 15 is currently selling for 38,215 pesos. And last but not least, the Mac Creator 14 from Mechanic. Yeah, the brand may seem unfamiliar, but they offer some pretty great specs with this machine. Under the hood, it has an Intel Core i5, a whopping 16GB of RAM, paired with 512GB of storage, and a 63 watt-hour battery. It boasts a 14-inch display and weighs about 1.4 kilograms. Ports galore in this one, because it has all you need from Thunderbolt 4 to a micro SD card reader. It even has a fingerprint reader on it. The Mac Creator 14 is currently available for 38,799 pesos. Well, that wraps it up for this list. These machines are definitely fit, not only for those who want a minimalist yet powerful work-from-home setup, but also for those who are always on the go. Alright, don't forget to smash a like and hit that notification bell to be alerted of all our next uploads. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. This has been Nico of YugaTech, and thank you for watching.